Hey there, it is Jen Kincannon, and we've got
Bryan.
And Tammy Bjorge.
We are talking about some really great things regarding the loan process, and then some with Tammy Bjorge of Caliber Home Loans today. What do you think, Tammy, is the biggest myth in the loan world in real estate right now?
The biggest myth in the loan world continues to be how much money it takes to purchase a home.
How much money it takes to purchase a home?
Correct. A lot of people still believe that they need to bring 20% down.
Why do you think that is?
I think that people don't realize that 20% is where you don't, for most programs, you don't have to pay mortgage insurance. So they get it stuck in their head that they don't want to pay mortgage insurance. That's a scary thing. That's something they don't want to do. But to be honest, it is not something that has to prevent someone from purchasing a home. And it is very hard, especially in our Northern Virginia, DC metro area, where the price points, for a first-time home buyer can start at $400,000 to save $80,000 for a 20% down payment. Actually, for that type of property, you really only need 3%, if not less.
It's mighty nice, like when you have that much, right? Like,
For sure.
And I actually would still take the full financing because it's a possible tax write-off for me, and I keep my cash where I can put my hand on it.
oh, I like that. I like how you think.
That is very smart.
Well, I think if there's
That's
another
smart.
recession, I still got my money.
That's right. Oh, and additionally, as Jen, the inventory here can be older, so it may be worthwhile for someone to keep some of that money so that they can renovate a bathroom, a kitchen, the flooring, and make their home really something that they've put their personal touches on. And that's something that I pride myself working with clients on. Do you have to put all that money down, or do you want to keep that rainy day fund? Do you want to invest it in the stock market? The rates are still at a place where the money is still what I would consider very inexpensive for getting a mortgage. So sometimes cash in hand is better than in a house. And that just needs to be something that you work with a consultant, a loan consultant, on to make sure that you're making the best financial decisions for yourself.
Oh, that's fantastic. And I'm sure people that work with you really appreciate that you would help them find the value in the best way to create a loan structured around their needs so that they don't necessarily, I guess the word would be unnecessarily, put funds that they could have more liquid for them and basically restructure a loan with the best product for them. So that sounds like, as a consultant, that would be what you would do for them. So that's a fantastic way to move forward in the loan process.
I always say it's easier to get money, it's easier to put money into a house than it is to get it out.
I like that thought.
And that's just something that people need to consider when they are looking at their financing options.
Thanks, Tammy.
Sure.